So ADAS CoPilot Pro is the industry's easiest, fastest, and most accurate way to identify ADAS systems, to identify ADAS components, to identify ADAS component locations, and to identify ADAS calibration requirements. It's also the fastest and easiest way to access and research repair procedures for ADAS repairs and calibrations. So with that said, let me give you a real quick overview on how ADAS CoPilot Pro works, okay? So step one, I find the VIN, I take the VIN, and I paste it into my ADAS CoPilot Pro portal. I hit create inspection. Once I create inspection, it's going to ask me what vehicle am I working on. In this case, I'm working on the ADAS SW, whatever it is. I can put in an RO number, I can pick an insurance company, and I can put in notes. I'm not going to do any of those because I'm in a hurry. So I hit view. Immediately, I'm presented with all the ADAS equipment that is installed on this vehicle. So again, in this case, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, collision warning, cross traffic, lane departure, parking assist, and I got surround view on this one, okay? Also, you'll notice, I'll give you a real quick overview of the landscape of ADAS CoPilot Pro. To the right, you have a link with videos, and it tells you how many videos are associated with this ADAS system. One. To the right, you can mark this system as OK, R&R, R&I, and to the far right, it's telling you how many components are part of the adaptive cruise control. Okay. Speaking of components, if I'm in a hurry and I want to look at all the components associated with all the ADAS systems I have on the vehicle, I click toggle open. And as you can see, I can now look at all the components. I have 2 components for adaptive cruise control, 3 components for blind spot, 3 components for collision warning, 2 components for cross traffic, 2 components for lane departure. I've got lots of components for my parking assist, and I got 4 components for my surround view systems. So again, if I untoggle, I'm back to my system view and not my component view. Okay. The other thing that we're doing, again, we're trying to make ADAS CoPilot Pro the go-to place for ADAS knowledge, ADAS information, and ADAS repair procedures. So we've also offered an additional ADAS info tab. So anything that's not related to the particular components and systems, but is relative to the ADAS components on the car and on the manufacturer system, we're going to continue to add things to make it easier for you to get access to it. So as you can see here, we've got the iCar RTS ADAS info for Nissan. You can easily log into the Nissan Tech info page from here. There's the ADAS, the iCar ADAS bumper cover info. There's a couple of videos, and you can even easily go to the Nissan owner manual site to get your owner manuals, because those are pretty important as well when it comes to ADAS repairs, calibrations, as well as test drives. Let's go back to results. So, as a user of this now, if I want to dig into any particular system, so for example, if I want to dig into the collision warning system, I just click on the plus, and now I have the 3 components of which are part of that collision warning system, where they're located at, and do they need a calibration? What type of calibration will it need if the components are and I? Okay. If I want to learn more about a particular component in that system, I just click on the component itself. So remember, I don't have to know any names. I just go into the component. Now, when I click on that component, I'm presented with a list of menu items that are going to help me dig into all the information and repair procedures related to this component. So if I want to look at what adjustments, what calibrations do I need to do to this component, I click on adjustments, and it tells me, here's a link to what you should do. I click on that, and I'm immediately taken to the all data repair procedure, the Nissan repair procedure related to the calibration of this component. Okay? Quick, fast, very easy, very accurate. Okay? If I want to learn more about any TSBs on this component, I can click on here and I can get a TSB related to this component. Okay? If I wanted to learn more about testing and inspecting this component, I can go in here and say, okay, how do I adjust this distance sensor? Boom. And now it's going to take me again to the requirements on how to adjust or align this sensor. Also, let's say I want to look at the lane camera in addition to the sensor. I just click on lane camera. And again, I'm taken to all the menus related to the lane camera. If I want to learn more, well, what do I need to do to calibrate the camera? It takes me right there in terms of camera aiming and adjustment. And it takes me to the calibration requirements related to that specific camera on that specific vehicle. So as you can see, the time it takes to get access to the systems, the ADAS components, the ADAS locations, and the ADAS repair procedures is quicker than anything available on the market today. Now also, if I want to learn more about the system related to, from a video perspective, I simply click on videos. Now it's going to present me with links to particular videos. And if I want to learn more about the intelligent forward collision warning system on this Nissan, I click on that, and it's going to take me to the Nissan OEM video related to intelligent forward collision warning.
Does not look like this. Please see your owner's manual.
So there you have it. What you just saw, what you just experienced is ADAS CoPilot Pro. And again, as I said in the beginning, it's the easiest, the fastest, the most accurate way for an individual or a business to identify, to locate ADAS systems, ADAS components, ADAS component locations, ADAS calibration requirements, and research ADAS repair and calibration repair procedures. All right, so now that we've shown you how powerful ADAS CoPilot Pro is and how it can help your business, let's review the beta program. The beta program is going to run for 30 to 45 days. To participate, you must be an existing ALLDATA user. You must be willing to sign a beta agreement. You must agree to use ADAS CoPilot Pro on any vehicle that's model year 2017 to 2021. You must be willing to respond to emails and or participate in phone calls to provide us with feedback. And then at the end of the beta, each of our beta participants will receive an ongoing subscription discount if they choose to continue to use the platform. And then the question I know you're going to ask is, well, how much is it going to cost? Well, while we don't really have a final price yet, we believe the pricing is going to range anywhere between $159 to $179 a month because we really believe there's a tremendous amount of value we offer with the ADAS CoPilot Pro platform. So if you're interested, fill out the form below and submit it, and then someone from our company will get back to you and talk to you about the program. Thanks again. Take care. Bye.